Hello everyone. My YouTube channel has finally achieved its first 1,000 followers. I'm so grateful to everyone. This is thank you video for all the subscribers. Let's create text effect in Figma. Online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Pick the page background color from the custom color palette. Enter text shortcut key equals T. I am using font family equals Berkshire Swash. Right-click group selection. Select text and apply color from the swatches. Copy and paste here. Apply different color. And move the object horizontally 5 pixel and vertically 5 pixel. Repeat for rest of the objects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.